So my sister requested that I do a moon-inspired makeup tutorial, and that's what I did for you today. It looks like this, and I'm going to show you how to do that. To do this, you're going to need a fluffy brush like this, a smaller fluffy brush like this, a pencil brush, and then a flat brush like this. You're going to need some eyeshadow primer, a black eyeliner, mascara. I use the So Jaded ColourPop and Kathleen Lights palette, and the colors I used were the following. This dark purple here, this brighter purple, this one, shimmery one right here, this very sparkly diamond one here. Some of these shimmers I really don't know how to describe, so hopefully if I just show you these, you'll get an idea. This is a really great palette, so this is what I use, but if you don't have this, you can use whatever colors really you want or that are similar enough. First things first, prime your eyelid. I'm going to be using a concealer. I'm going to start with a fluffy brush that's a little on the denser side. And I'm going to go in with the first shade, which is going to be this very dark purple called Alexandrite. This one right here. And I'm going to put quite a bit of that onto the brush because it's a shimmery color. It's not going to go on as easily as a matte would. So I'm going to get a lot of that on there. And I'm going to start by putting it in the outer corner here. At first I'm going to pack it on just to get that pigment onto the eyelid. And then I'll worry about blending after I get that on. But I'm going to start in the outer corner and kind of keep it in that area, but bring it in maybe a little bit. Also make sure to keep it low on the lid. And I want the shape to go outwards at the end, so I'm going to make sure that I'm doing that with the shadow. Once there's less product on the brush, I'm going to use that brush to blend things out. And I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush to blend. Once that's nicely blended in, I'm going to use the color Fluorite, and I'm going to put that right in the middle, right next to that purple shade, so that color looks like this. So I'm going to take that on my finger, and I'm just going to put it next to that purple. And I'm bringing it up to the top. I'm going to put the next shimmer shade right next to that on the inner part. This one's called Moonstone, and it looks like this. I'm bringing that color up as well. Now I'm taking a sparkly shade called Diamond, which looks like this. And I'm just lightly putting my finger into that to get a little bit of it on, and then I'm going to lightly dab it all over the shimmery portion of my eye. So not going too heavy-handed on this because I kind of want it to just layer over everything and put a little bit of a sparkle on top of everything. I'm going to take that on my finger and I'm going to put that over top of the sparkly stuff that I've already applied. Next I'm taking a pencil brush like this, and I'm taking some of this shade called Pearl, and I'm going to put this in my inner corner and on top. So I'm going to place the shade right up top here underneath my brow. And I'm just blending everything a little bit with a fluffy brush. Next I'm taking a flat brush like this, and I'm taking this color called Amethyst, which is a brighter purple, And I'm gonna put that all along my lower lash line. And that color looks like this. And I'm blending this color out by just taking the brush and going back and forth quickly like this. Next I'm going to take that pencil brush and I'm going to put that shade Moonstone on it that we used right in this top inner corner here. And I'm going to just put that right here along the inner portion here of my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take that color Pearl that we used underneath the brow and I'm going to put that on the inner corner here. Going back in with this brush that we used first, I'm going to take more of that amethyst color, which is the brighter purple, and I'm going to just dust that right on top of this other purple to brighten it up a little bit. And now I'm going to take the fluffy brush and use it to blend that out. Now I'm going to use some black eyeliner and run it along the top of my eye here. Lastly, I'm going to apply some mascara. And here's the finished look. And I use the So Jaded ColourPop